Hello everyone, today I am going to unbox the gaming laptop that cost $5,343. I know some of you guys will be thinking that I can build a much better gaming PC in the same price that could have a GTX 1080 Ti that is more powerful than any GTX 1080 laptop, and it could have a 10-core CPU instead of just 4. But I got this one because of the portability. I can travel with this laptop as I am staying in a hostel for my study, so I cannot keep a desktop and bring it back to the home. Getting a gaming laptop that is nearly as powerful as desktop is really important for me. You might be thinking why it costs that much when the actual price of the laptop on Amazon is $3,000 with 4K screen, 32GB RAM, 512GB SSD and 1TB hard drive. But I wanted to customize it, so I added another 2TB Samsung NVMe 960 Pro and upgraded RAM to 64GB with 3000 speed. But unfortunately, by default it only supports RAM speed 2400. After all the upgrade, it still cost me $4,683, but then I had to pay the shipping fee of $136. Importing to Pakistan local and custom taxes are $426, and the importing company charged me around $96, which total becomes $5,343. Let's take a look what's inside the box. First we have the charger inside another box. It is of 330 watt. That much power is needed when you are going to overclock this laptop. It is big compared to any other normal laptop and weighs around 1 kg. So keep that in mind when you are traveling with it. Next we have the Acer Predator Premium Service and user documentation. Last but not least, we have another box of laptop itself. Let's open up the box. Holding a 4.5 kg laptop feels really heavy. You can use that to build muscles. Yeah, that was a joke. On the right side we have the USB Type-C cable, 2 USB ports, HDMI display, Ethernet and Kingston lock ports. On the back we have huge ventilation to keep this laptop cool. Let's open the lid up and remove the cleaning cloth. Now let's turn on the laptop. By default it has a weird sound when turning on, so I disable it in the BIOS. I bought this laptop from the Exotic PC and it was my first time mistake because their customer support is terrible. I paid extra for 2 more accessories which they didn't install. Let's take a look at the Predator Sense software. Using that you will be able to see the temperatures and fan speed. You can choose different modes: normal, faster or turbo. In turbo it will be overclocked to 4.3 GHz. But keep that in mind, you can only overclock if you are plugged in. All the buttons lighting can be changed, but unfortunately it is divided into 4 zones and each key lighting individually cannot be changed. This one has 4K 60Hz display and very good view angles, and color accuracy is also good, but it is not perfectly calibrated by default, so you have to calibrate it by yourself. This one has 64GB RAM, which is overkill for gaming, but when doing a lot of Photoshop 3D work, it loves the extra RAM. It has Core i7 quad-core 7820HQ processor and can be overclocked to 4.3 GHz. It will increase the fan speed when overclocked, but still doesn't sound like a jet engine. It has GTX 1080 that has 8GB VRAM, which is enough to run any game in high setting. On the left side we have the macro keys. The thing that I love about this laptop is how the body stays cool even after hours of extreme CPU and GPU usage. So this was a quick unboxing and first impression of my new gaming laptop. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and click the notification button to see the full in-depth review.